I'm Tom Smith, and I'm looking today at Glowfari at the Oakland Zoo. This is one of my favorite activities in the Bay Area. And it happens every year. There's these amazing lanterns that are placed all around the zoo. And they're like traditional Chinese lanterns, illuminated from the inside, but they're all animal themed. You can see here this is an incredible forest of bamboo with over 40 panda bear lanterns. Especially as the sun goes down, these just become brilliant and beautiful, and you can wander around the zoo after hours. Now, the actual animals are not out, but as you can see, they're replaced by these incredible light-up animals. And it's just a wonderful thing to do over the winter, both to have a nice night out and to support the zoo. You can also ride the gondola up through the Oakland Hills, have beautiful views of the city down below. You can also get food at the top at the Landing Cafe or at Tusker's at the bottom of the zoo. If you want to see our full coverage, check out bayareatelegraph.com, and you can visit the Oakland Zoo's website. Glowfari this year runs through February the 6th. It has been extended due to popular demand. Definitely check out Glowfari at the Oakland Zoo.